Because we are aware of suicide, mental illness in our community, we would like to spread the message that you matter. Be more fun, otaki. Because there is you, there is tomorrow. And most importantly, when there are people over here at home, please don't shame them. Be kindful, be open-minded, and be helpful at all times. To my Hmong brothers who are struggling with depression, it's okay to be emotional and let out your emotional. It's okay to seek for help. Don't let patriarchy tell you what kind of person you should be. And don't let society tell you how you should be. To my Hmong sisters, it's time to break the silence and end the cycle of how a Hmong woman is perceived in our community. You are strong and beautiful. Don't let anyone stop you from achieving your dreams.
Please don't be afraid to ask for help from a close friend or a professional over there. And please make sure to ask your friends and family how they do today. How are they feeling? Because who knows, they could be in a situation where words may not be able to describe their situation. And just know that you are your biggest supporter. You are the one who takes the path to your success. So do not let anyone tell you what to do or what to be, because you are your biggest supporter. You are the one who will be successful. Thank you.